Gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go faster, 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 faster. Moving at speed of sound, quickest hedgehog around. Got ourselves a situation, stuck in a new location without any explanation. No time for relaxation. Don't blink, don't think, just go, 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 go. Sonic is on the run. Sonic is number one. Sonic is coming next, so watch out for Sonic. Gotta go fast. Sonic, gotta go fast. Sonic, gotta go faster, 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 faster. Go, 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 go. Sonic, gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Sonic X. Go, 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 go. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Moving at speed of sound, quickest hedgehog around. Got ourselves a situation, stuck in a new location without any explanation. No time for relaxation. Don't blink. Don't think. Just go, 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 go. Sonic is on the run. Sonic is number one. Sonic is coming next, so watch out for Sonic. Gotta go fast. Sonic, gotta go fast. Sonic, gotta go faster, 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 faster. Go, 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 go. Sonic, gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Sonic X. Go, 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 go. Gotta go fast.
The Metarex are back,
Gotta go faster, 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 faster.
and tonight we're gonna draw Metarex Crystal, one of my favorite Metarex battle bots.
Don't blink, don't think, just go, 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 go. Sonic is on the run. Sonic is number one. Sonic is coming next, so watch out for Sonic. Gotta go fast. Sonic, gotta go fast. Sonic, gotta go faster, 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 faster. Go, 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 go. Sonic, gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Sonic X. Go, 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 go. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster.
This Metarex first appeared on an ice planet, where this guy used the Chaos Emerald's magic to turn himself into a giant. Afterwards, 25 minutes later, this guy was well, spring had returned. Hedgehog around. Got ourselves a situation, stuck in a new location without any explanation. No time for relaxation. Don't blink, don't think, just go, 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 go. and finished. That's how you draw a meterex. Alexa, what is ice?
According to Wikipedia, ice is water frozen into a solid state, typically forming at or below temperatures of 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on the presence of impurities such as particles of soil or bubbles of air, it can appear transparent or a more or less opaque bluish-white color.
Ice is beautiful. And I'd like to thank this guy. That's all for now. That's how you draw a meterex crystal. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. And look at what fighters I'm going to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.